What happens when you crack your knuckles? You push your fingers together. Pop! That sound isn't your bones breaking. It's tiny gas bubbles inside your joint fluid collapsing in a microscopic explosion. Think of it like popping a balloon inside your hand. For the next few seconds, your joints feel looser. That's because the pressure inside the capsule drops. Your brain registers that slick ah of relief, even though nothing's really changed. Give it time. Those bubbles need around 20 minutes to refill. Until then, no more pops. And no, science says you're not ruining your joints, just releasing built-up pressure in nature's little soda can.